and the quarter mile in a record NHRA-certified 8.9 seconds at 151. Yes, the Demon 170 is history's first 8-second factory muscle car, producing 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque.
A Dodge Special Edition vehicle like none other, the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, is the quickest vehicle ever produced in the brand's 100-plus year history. The Challenger SRT Demon 170 is the first factory production car to run the quarter mile under 9 seconds. Production of the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 will begin this summer and will be limited to at most 3,300 units, with 3,000 for the US and 300 for Canada. Final unit numbers will be based on production capacity. The Dodge Demon 170 will be available at a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $96,666. Available dealer allocations can be viewed starting today via the Dodge Horsepower Locator tool at dodgegarage.com, with ordering beginning on March 27th. Ordering will close on May 15, 2023.